All right, good morning and welcome back to another trade setup for gold. It is just a repeat of what we have just posted on the charts actually. And gold is instilling further confidence that there is some upside still left before the bears would be totally in control. So let's do the wave counts and also understand. We were on Friday, we discussed a potential drop which might not go beyond 1482. That's what exactly has happened, and early hours trade has seen a good follow-up rally. So it's in line with what we have been discussing and expecting since the last 1 week. And the more time it is going to take, that means it is going to dig further deeper uh, with an impulse rally, with an impulse drop, sorry, already in place. So here's it, the wave counts again for us. Not doing the sub waves, 1, 2, 3, an expanded flat 4, a potential wave 5. Let's label it as 1 or A. Please excuse me for the nomenclature. I'm just not focusing heavily on the right degree actually, just on the patterns and the waves, that's all. Now here's something interesting happening. uh, yes, it's understandable that most of the traders are feeling that potential top is in place at 1557 and prices should be digging further deeper lower, but sometimes, as I said, we're discussing on the Friday video that specifically gold behaves nasty when it comes to corrective rallies actually, or any kind of correction for that matter. You can see this ABC clearly. Let's label this as A. And on Friday, again, another ABC was seen. Now, it would have been a great mess if we had understood that uh, second wave, or that's been done in the alternate count actually, but now that is eliminated. It's no more. I don't think it should be wave 2 as we put it on Friday. So we've got three waves ABC as a capital A, another three waves ABC as a capital B, and probably we might be seeing a five wave rally if it's going to be a capital ABC, or it's going to be three wave rally. In that case, it could be a WXY setup which is happening right now. So just for the sake of 335, let's label this as wave 1 right now. Wave 2 may dig a bit lower towards 1495. There could be a Gartley in production right now. There is a neat little five waves down on the shorter time frame. The pullback towards the 61.8% of that one, and maybe we can see another drop towards 1495. That's a good place to initiate short-term longs if you are an aggressive kind of a trader. If not, you would want to wait for the rally to materialize and push prices towards the 1535 or maybe 1540 mark. If it's going to unfold as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or an ABC, we'll have to wait and watch. Let's be prepared for an alternate count as well. There's a 535W, so let's put it as or or X. Again, it's a 535 ABC, and if it's going to do a 535 again, then it could be labeled as wave Y. In any case, we are looking for the second wave of one larger degree, or the same degree wave B. Sorry, okay. So that's the short-term wave counts for gold. A very good convergence is also seen. I'll show you on the charts here the retracements first. the 61.8% is at 28, the 786 is at 41. So if we extend wave A, pushing towards 1540 is quite possible. And also the principle of equality 82 towards 24, so that is 42 points. Oh, yeah, 42 points. Another 85 plus 42 could be 27, 28. So either principle of equality, if we consider it is going to terminate, or it might have great chance of terminating around the 28 mark, 28, 27, 27, 28. That would be wave A equals wave C. And if it's going to go even further, we've got a convergence coming in right at 1540, which is a 78.6% retracement and a 38.2% extension. So please watch out for these two levels. The resistance zone, if you would like to mark up, is falling between the price range 1528 and 1540. So that's the resistance zone. Those 12 points actually. So you might want to take some profits. If you are an aggressive trader, watch out for a drop towards 1495. Take a long there against 85. So a good risk reward ratio is in place. You might want to extend it to at least 28 and take some profits off the shelf, and wait for a reversal either here or there to initiate short position that would go against 1557. Alright, so that's the short-term trade setup. Once we are through with this price action, we'll bring up another update video on what is expected after that, and the price action and the wave counts after that. Alright, so thank you again for joining in, and I'll be back again with some currency pair or Dow Jones actually during the day as the New York session unfolds. There's something interesting might be going on in the Dow Jones as well. Let's see if it is pushing towards a new high or a reversal. We'll discuss that in the New York live today. Thank you again for joining, and wish you good luck for all your trades. Goodbye.